taking care of our customers, what we do best.
They are installing over 530 TVs in our guest rooms, brand new 55-inch TVs. Right now we have very small 39-inch TVs, so it's a huge upgrade, and it's very exciting for our guests and for our owners as well.
The process starts with the TVs arriving. Our teams are here ready to unload the product. We'll find a place to store or stage them at, usually in some kind of small conference room or meeting area where the hotel staff and guests don't see. In that area, we'll actually perform a little bit of the magic behind the scenes. So unboxing the TVs, disposing of some of the trash, a little bit of prep work if it's gonna be some wall mounting units or if there's gonna be some kind of set-top box device attached to the TV. So then we can just move them up to the rooms, and it basically cuts down on the time actually in the guest room.
And then from there, it's mounting the TVs,
Connect it, make sure it's working properly,
removing the trash, removing the old TV.
and we're out of there. Usually about 10 to 15 minutes per room. I want to make sure that we kind of remain as ninjas navigating through their hotel. I want them to know that we started on one day, we finished early, and they never saw us doing it.
They're very efficient. They do it quietly without impacting any guests, and they do it very quickly.
It's just a seamless solution for the customer. I'm gonna manage this process for you. All you gotta do is give us the keys to your hotel. We'll make sure that all your TVs are installed, everything's working properly.
Oh, it frees me up to be able to do my day-to-day duty.
He does his day job, we do ours.
Oh my gosh, if my team had to execute it, we probably wouldn't be finished for about 10 years from now, so.
We're doing something that we do every single day, which is install TVs. The only difference is we're installing them in a hotel room versus installing them in someone's living room.
We're able to deploy resources at a massive scale, unlike any other provider in the nation, quite frankly, because of our retail footprint.
From IT or appliances, digital signage, wayfinding, these are all options that we have available through our arsenal that we can actually be that one-stop shop for the customer.
Best Buy has always been there for us. They've delivered. They've done what they said they were going to do, and that's really all you can ask for.
They trust that we're going to get the job done right.
I look for somebody that has great communication, somebody that I can trust, somebody that I can rely on, and somebody that's established out there and that has done this before.
There's definitely no job that's too big.
I couldn't ask for a better partner. Just to get their product into our hotel is very exciting.
I would absolutely recommend Best Buy to anyone else in the hospitality industry.